Welcome back to Leftovers with Annie, the show where each week I receive a mystery product from Ace and I need to figure out how to use it at home. And don't forget, click that subscribe button so you're not missing out on any of these projects. Let's see what's in the bag this week. Rust-Oleum Home Floor Covering, and there's 3 cords. Looks like we have step 1, and step 2. So we have 2 base coats and a top coat. Let's see the color. Ooh, a beautiful creamy white. Duh! A gray. Yes, a clear. This floor coating couldn't have come at a better time. Follow me and I'll show you why. Welcome to my bathroom. I just repainted it Clark & Kensington Subtle Gray, and I love the way it turned out. But this tile is really white and really plain, and it definitely needs a makeover. I don't have the budget to rip out all the tile and put new tile down, so I think a great cost-saving solution is going to be to paint it, and I can't wait to try it out. I just finished taping all my trim. Now, let's get started painting. The first thing I'm gonna do is take this Rust-Oleum Home Floor Covering, step 1, and I'm going to apply it to my entire bathroom floor. The color I was given is called Midnight Stroll, so it'll dramatically make a difference. The second step I'm going to do is take the other base coat in the lighter color and I'm going to put a stencil on the floor. For the stencil, I'm using the delicate painter's tape to secure the stencil to the floor since it's been newly painted. But when you do this project at home, make sure you start at the wall and work your way towards the door. And last, I'm going to take that third top coat and I'm going to place it all over the entire floor to protect the paint that I just did. That was the perfect finish to my bathroom. Stick around to see how I transformed a piece of furniture using wood stains.